Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
When 6552T, remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life. The WEN 13 inches. 3-blade benchtop thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood to give it an exceptionally smooth finish. The powerful 15-amp motor provides over 25,500 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Plain boards up to 13 inches. W and 6 inches. T with ease. The onboard planning gauge helps inform. DeWalt DW734, powerful 15-amp, 20,000 RPM motor of the woodworking planer handles larger, deeper cuts in hardwoods. 3-knife cutter head with 10,000 RPM cutter head speed of the thickness planer provides 96 cuts per inch, one of the finest finishes of any portable planer. Disposable, reversible knives of the wood planer deliver 30% more knife life and make knife change fast and easy. 4-column. Cutech 40200HCT for the more demanding professional, our 40200H spiral type wood thickness planer will fit the bill. With its 4 heavy-duty guide posts and 2 heavy-duty screw posts design, cutterhead snipe lock, internal gears for height adjustment, depth repeat cut and large tables, it has all the features a pro would need. And at about 90 pounds, it can still be maneuvered to and around a job site. Makita 2012 NB, compact with less weight for easy transporting to the job site. Engineered for faster, easier blade changes. Low noise, 83 dB, for operator comfort. For post design and diagonal cross supports for stability. Large table extensions to support the workpiece. Fully adjustable depth stop for repeat cuts. LED light indicates that the planer is plugged into the power source. Jet JWP 13BT, the Jet 13, benchtop planer delivers the power and efficiency that woodworkers demand in the shop. This 13 planer produces a smooth and consistent cut surface thanks to its helical-style cutter head with 6 rows of 24 individual quick-change inserts, which can be easily rotated or replaced if damaged or worn. This helical-style cutter head design helps reduce noise since its 2 HP moto.